Hi, Sherry here from the Floor Guys. I am so excited to tell you about our two new products, seal-eez and shine-eez. If you have granite countertops or any type of natural stone in your home, I'm sure you want it to look nice all of the time. I'm sure you've tried all these products on the market that don't do anything. Let me show you how ours works. All right, so let me show you how easy it is to use seal-eez. You're going to take your bottle of seal-eez and you're going to squirt it on your countertop. And then you're going to take your cloth and you're just going to gently wipe on the countertop to evenly spread it all over. Okay, so we're back. It's been about 5 minutes. So now we're going to take a clean cloth and we're going to go ahead and wipe off any excess solution that is on top of your granite or your natural stone. We're going to wipe it all off, and in about an hour, this will be all ready to use. After you use seal-eez, you're going to want to use a cleaner that you can maintain your granite countertops and natural stone with that will not break down your sealer. That's where Shinies comes in. Shinies is an everyday cleaner and polish that adds depth and shine to your countertops. Let me show you how this works. Okay, so let me show you how Shinies works. We recommend using this as an everyday cleaner. You basically just take your bottle of Shinies and you spray it on your countertop. And then using your cloth, you're going to go ahead and just wipe the counter clean. Now, if you'd like to make the countertop pop or shine a little bit more, you can spray the Shinies again. And then using your cloth, you're going to kind of just put a little more pressure on it, scrub it a little bit harder until you see the shine that you want come out of it. It's that easy. All of our products are 100% guaranteed or your money back. You can order 1 bottle or you can order the 2-bottle kit, which comes with the free microfiber cloth, making your life easier. You can order all of our products at groutinfo.com, Amazon, or you can like our Facebook page at The Floor Guys. There you will have tips and tricks and special offers. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.